Hi, my name's Matt and I'd like to welcome you to this Zinniac video, which is the introduction to our ITIL Strategist Direct, Plan and Improve training course. This is part of our series of courses that aim to help you reach the ITIL for Managing Professional qualification. We're going to start off by having a quick look at the copyright statements that Axelos like us to show you because they're very protective of their IPR. And we will also have a quick look at our accredited training organisation badge, just to assure you we are ITIL accredited training organisation. So let's have a look at the ITIL 4 certification overview. And you've probably seen this before, but in order to get to an ITIL for managing professional, there are two routes. One is if you're an ITIL version 3 expert or you had enough points to take the managing across the life cycle exam, you are eligible to take the ITIL for managing professional transition training course and exam, and it's just one step and you can gain your managing professional certification. Otherwise, for everyone else, you need to take the ITIL 4 Foundation, the 3 ITIL Specialist training courses and exams, Create, Deliver and Support, Drive Stakeholder Value and High Velocity IT. You can then take this course and associated exam, the ITIL Strategist, Direct, Plan and Improve training course and exam, and that's when you get your ITIL for Managing Professional qualification. This course is also a prerequisite to the other pathway, the ITIL Strategic Leader pathway, which requires this examination certificate and the ITIL Leader Digital and IT Strategy certificate as well. So they're the two pathways on the slide there as well. In terms of the exam, the same as every other ITIL for Managing Professional exam, 40 questions, 4 multiple choice answers, A, B, C or D, Bloom's level 2 or 3, which are the middle Bloom's level. So no easy level 1s, but no really difficult level 4s. Pass marks are always 28 out of 40, 70%. Recommendation is you want to be aiming for about 35. On the sample exams, there's 2 sample exams included in the training course before you sit the actual exam. The actual exam is 90 minutes. If you're taking it in your non-native language, so if you're taking it in English and that's not your native language, you get 25% extra time or 130 minutes in total. No materials allowed in the exam, so you're not allowed to use the guidance manual, and the prerequisites for taking the exam are an ITIL 4 Foundation certificate and having attended an accredited training course such as this one. In terms of what's on the syllabus, you can see on the slide there that this syllabus is mostly based, not surprisingly, on the Direct, Plan and Improve guidance manual. Not all of that manual is examined, but a lot of it is, and the rest of the syllabus is made up of the 2 practices that are particularly relevant to this training course, which are continual improvement and organisational change management. So only 2 practices relevant to this training course and exam. And when we look at the syllabus, as you can see on the slide there, you can see the breakdown of marks to make up 40%. What you see is we're covering governance, risk and compliance. We're covering key principles and methods of continual improvement. We're covering organisation change management and communication methods, and measurement and reporting. Now, those of you who have taken ITIL version 3 practitioner will notice a lot of similarities with that syllabus and this one, and it really does align. So I would say probably 80% of this syllabus is based on the ITIL, or is similar to the ITIL version 3 practitioner syllabus. So if you've already taken ITIL version 3 practitioner, you're a long way. You've got a really good foundation for taking this qualification. If any of you are thinking about taking ITIL version 3 practitioner, if it's still available, it's a legacy qualification, I would say don't take it, take this instead. This is the newer qualification, and this obviously also includes directing, planning, improving value streams and practices, which isn't covered in the ITIL 3 practitioner. And in order to take this, you need to have taken ITIL 4 foundation, which covers the ITIL 4 principles, which is the other bit of ITIL version 3 practitioner. So a lot of alignment with ITIL version 3 practitioner. If you haven't taken that, take this in preference if it's even still available. If you have taken it, that's going to help you definitely when you come to take this qualification. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this brief introduction to ITIL Strategist Direct Plan and Improve. I hope it's made you enthusiastic for the course. If you haven't already purchased the course, please go to zindiac.co.uk and purchase the course and exam. Only £300 for the course and the exam. Until you see me again, have a great day.